randomized colors. Okay, so here I have these arrays, like these values: Alice, Bob, Cody, and David. And now I need to generate random colors for those guys. Okay, so I think I need to add one more thing, which is the digest library here, in order to show. Okay, so let us first try to show this one in the table form. So I will use a grid table, and then I GDF. So I will use the variable GDF, which is for generic or global data frame, in many videos. Okay, so I will do values here, or I call it column A. So if I display this one, you can see there is one column of this table, which is column A. Now if I want to do for column B, I can use the same function in this case for B. So I will use colors, which is as apply of vowels function. The transformation function will be X, and I just digest X here. Let us start with digest first, and then we see digest X by algorithm algo MD5. Okay, so we have two columns now. The first one is values, and the second column B will be color. Okay, and then I display the table again for you to see. Okay, so now if you see here those colors, actually if you take the left of those values, you can have the hex format already. So I just take the left, or in this case substring 1 to 6, 6. You can see here actually the colors here is just the hex color of the same concept. I only need to paste the hash symbol in front, and that's it. Then I have the color for this one. So this is basically what we can use to generate color for each concept. And this is very useful exercise, because when you have a lot of concepts to color, for example, if you have to display like 10 customers, 20 customers in, and you don't want to manually color them one by one, but you still want them to be distinct, like each person in one color differently, and then you can differentiate them in the chart. And then this one is very useful exercise. Okay, we can generate those color. We can draw this color in a box as well. So let us do the drawing, right? So this one I will use the ggplot again, function of the GDF, and then I use geom bar to draw the concept. In this case, I will use for X. For X, I will use the name, so A. For Y, I will draw the constant 1. For the fill, I will fill the color, which is column B, and then I will show do this. This one is just for the identity function for the bar chart to work, and then show legend true. Okay, so this one I print G. This one will give us the chart like this, and then you can see the color will be here. So each of them will have the color, Alice, Bob, and then but then the color is not what we want to see, because this one is just the default color. If you want to actually display the color on the column B, and then you need to this G plus scale fill identity, and then it will use the color in column B to color the whole thing. There you go. The first thing is you see because of the identity coloring method, and the legend will be this will not be displayed because actually the color is here already. Okay, so you don't need to to display the color anymore. Okay, so that's it. And then now uh, you can see, you can expand this one to any more names. For example, Elma, so A B C F, Frank, I, E F G, Gabe. Okay, and then there go. There you go. So you whenever you have a new name here, it doesn't change anything in your computer, or in your computing function, or anything. It's just like add one more names here in this using the hash function here, which is the MD5 function here, and then you can color your own concept. Oh, by the way, if you want to change the color dynamically, you can. There are two ways to do it. The first thing is just to paste X with any padding number values, and the second thing is just to change these numbers. So, for example, I will call this one start position, which is 1, and then end position, which is 6, and then I will name here, so st and then ed, and then here I can change this one, for example, to 2 and 7, and you see the name will change in this chart. Everybody will change because of that. Yeah, so you can see here everybody will change because of the coloring function. If you want to still want to display the color name, you can do the trick like this, paste AB like this, and then you can see here actually the color and then the name will be displayed next to each other. Okay, so this one will be the combined name. There's one trick I can do other than using the paste function here. You can use column C, which is the paste function in here of A and B, and then instead of using a paste function in here, I can change it to C. Then the only difference is the word C will be up here in here, because it uses the ggplot function. Will use the name for the name of the column for this label. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hopefully after this you don't have to color many concept manually. You just use the hash function, and then you color the whole thing.